Hey guys, back with another tutorial on an app. This one I bet everyone's familiar with, or at least many of you, but it's one I use a lot. It's one almost all the teachers I know use a lot, and it's Blooket. Blooket is a trivia game that allows you to have all your students join a lobby and do just about any game under the sun. If you go to Discover, there are silly ones for passing the time, and they can join other stuff. You know, Most of this isn't really necessarily in line with standards or anything. However, I like to use it for review or test prep. And so if you look at my sets, I teach middle school ancient history. So I got the ancient Greece geography and more, 27 questions. Egypt, 15. Mesopotamia, 18 questions. And if you go to edit these in the Middle Ages, you can sit there and see I created all these questions. And then I can sit there, if I decide to, I can put some sort of relevant picture next to each one. I often do. Uh, you have to be careful with it sometimes because otherwise the kids will just try to remember the question towards the picture. So for some sets I don't do that. When that happens, go back to my sets. If I would say host this game, you click host, up pops a new window, and I would screencast this window onto my TV. They can pick out whatever game they want. It's all going to be trivia answers, but then the way they earn points or steal points varies. Crypto Hack tends to be my kid's favorite, so you go to host game. You can select whether it's based on time or points. I generally do time. As I host it, music comes on. You shouldn't be able to hear it, just in case. And then the kids post this in. Once I get enough of them in my lobby, I would click here to start it. And from there, it's a fun review game. The kids really end up liking it.